See, when you're out and about and you're not filming and you've seen deer, I've seen a woodpecker, I've seen the blue tit or yellow tit, not sure. I'll have a look later on. Look at that, hear that? It's nice being here. I've seen the deer, lovely, lovely. I would just like to say about the Hobo cooker. It's from the pivot of my arm to roughly about my knuckle, which is the height. The circumference is about that, whatever, 20 centimetres or so. I've implemented it the way I want it as a Hobo cooker. I used the church key all the way around. Okay, so I punctured holes and I made a flap so I can put wood in. And I purchased a grill. Okay, 2 grills, but they came in as a pack, so I can put it on the top, so I can keep on feeding it, and also put something on top. Okay, I've not used it before, but this is good to just sit here and just talk about it. Okay, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to get along here, and I've not used it, so stay tuned. So this is my Hobo cooker. As you can see, the length of it from the pivot of my arm to my knuckle is roughly that length, big enough. On the bottom, use the like church key or so, right round. Okay, so that's giving a better ventilation. Will it work the way I want it? Not sure. I've cut it that way, and so I don't cut myself and like that. I can use this to keep it, lift it open, and that's so I can get all the wood and everything in there. And I found this in my cellar, and so even if I want to close it up and take it with me anywhere, then I can, and I can use cordage to keep it closed. I can put equipment in there with the size there, and I think it would still work. Never used it before, but I'm going to use it. Another thing I just want to show you, so I can take that off of there, just put that there now, and I've got this grill thing. Yes, grill fits there perfect, absolutely perfect. I can put some kind of bowl or cooking utensil in there, and I can still feed in here with the wood or whatever I want to use. Could use coals if I wanted to, but it's I think it's a good thing that I've got. I'm going to keep it here. I'm going to hide it, and every time I come down here, you know, I love practicing with the different things, or using different equipment and everything like that. I'll make sure that nothing is sharp, everything will be hidden. So that is my Hobo cooker. Working well, big enough, and at the moment it's boiling the water, so I'm happy with that. Nice, 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 nice.